is a little chilly in here. Oh yeah. So I got a few things here I'm working on. And we're gonna go ahead and slap it down, so stick around for another episode of Live with RAEART. Live painting with RAEART. So guys, just come chill with us here at the RAEART Studios. We're gonna go slap it down. Don't you wanna join us? It's gonna be fun. Entertainment for everybody. Come on down to RAEART Town. We're gonna not do it right. We're gonna try to do it right. We're gonna add some spray paint to these babies back here. And we're just gonna slap it down delightfully and deliciously with some superb colors. We've got all these. Now let's go ahead and just do it. Let's slap it down, folks. Grab.